Hello students, welcome to another day of class. Today in our reading class we are just going to practice some conversations, easy conversations. Don't worry, they are very easy. So what you are going to do is that you are going to read each part of the person who is speaking. We were practicing during class like student A or student B, the same as we did last Friday. But today those conversations have a different name. As you remember, this week we were working with the story of unwanted attention, right? So today we're just going to practice some conversations. So the first conversation is called My Secret. And here we have two characters. We have Chris and we have Peter. So you're going to repeat. You're going to read what Chris says and then you're going to read what Peter says. Okay. Hey Peter, can I tell you a secret? It's a question. You have to read with sense to understand the dialogue, because if you read just like, hey Peter, can I tell you a secret? It doesn't make sense. So you have to do it with sense. Can I tell you a secret? Peter, sure, I won't tell anybody. Chris, you have to promise not to tell anybody. Peter, okay, I promise not to tell anybody. Chris says, can I really trust you? Yes, you can trust me. Tell me your secret. Okay, I don't brush my teeth in the morning. I pretend to brush my teeth, but I don't. Peter, that's disgusting. I'm going to tell my mother. And that's everything what you have to do. Then we have this second practical conversation. And we have here Ned and Justin. It's about paper airplanes. Okay, Ned, what are you doing, Justin? It's a question. Remember, when it's a question, you have to read with sense. Justin, I'm using my new computer. My grandmother wants me to learn how to use a computer. Ned, is using a computer difficult? Justin, it's a little difficult, but I think it is fun. And then Ned asks again, can you go outside and play? And Justin said, yeah, what do you want to do? Ned said, I want to go to the park and climb a tall tree. We can hide in the tree and throw paper airplanes. Justin, that's a good idea. Do you have extra paper? Remember to read with sense. Ned, yeah, I will bring my own English notebook. We can use that paper. And Justin says, let's go. And that's everything that you have to do today in your reading class. I hope you are fine at home. Please keep safe. I'm sending a lot of hugs, a lot of kisses, and blessings from the Lord. Please keep safe at home. Don't get outside if you don't need to get outside. And that was everything. See you until next week. Have a nice weekend. Bye.